Today we will see the difference between suction pumps and direct action pumps. These are the two pumps in your front, and what is the difference between these two we will discuss one by one quickly in this video. First we will see about the suction pumps. So suction pumps operate by creating a partial vacuum. So this is the suction pump. So operate by creating a partial vacuum to draw water or fluid up through a pipe, effective only up to a height of about 10 meters due to atmospheric pressure limitations. Commonly used for shallow wells or domestic water systems. So let's take a look on the direct action pumps, which is in yellow color besides this one. Direct action pumps use a direct mechanical force such as a piston or plunger to lift water or fluid. Can work at greater depths compared to suction pumps. Typically employed in manual hand pumps or systems requiring higher lift capabilities. In a summarized version, if you see, suction pumps rely on vacuum pressure to draw fluids, effective for shallow depth up to 10 meters, whereas direct action pumps use mechanical force to lift fluids suitable for deeper applications.